Back to our regularly scheduled winter here in Vancouver. Here's a before and after shot. Yeah, lots of rain coming this week. Hopefully we don't get any more snow this winter, but this isn't what this video is about. I'll see you again inside.
China, the epicenter of a potentially deadly virus, has extended the lockdown on more of its cities, restricting travel for millions of people.
Now, the virus first appeared in Wuhan. Authorities say it passed to humans from animals at this food market.
The illness has spread as well from Wuhan out into Thailand, Taiwan, Korea, Japan, Hong Kong, and yesterday we learned a confirmed case in Washington.
600 people have been infected and at least 17 killed.
Officials checking temperatures, looking for symptoms similar to the common cold, flu, or even pneumonia.
CDC funneling all passengers arriving from Wuhan through 5 U.S. airports with mandatory screening. Patients in isolation units being treated by doctors in biohazard suits. Pharmacies struggling to keep masks on the shelves.
Make no mistake, this is an emergency in China, but it has not yet become a global health emergency.
Keyword is yet. If Bill Gates is worried about the next widespread epidemic, then we should be too. By now, you've probably heard of the coronavirus. There's been one case found in the US like the guy mentioned. No confirmed cases in Canada yet. Do I want to be the first one? No. No, I don't. So if you live in Vancouver, you know we have a big Chinese population. And potentially more coming into the country with this New Year's going on. Everybody should be concerned about this new virus. Have you not watched Contagion yet? There's also been a viral picture surfacing the internet lately, suggesting that this virus originated from bats and snakes. What the fuck are people eating, man? I mean, this is just another reason to go vegan. So just have a look at the type of weather we get here in Vancouver. It was pouring rain when I started making this video. It then stopped for like half an hour, and now it's just starting to rain again. All the snow we got last week, completely unorthodox. I don't think I need this mask. So it's been suggested that bats and snakes may have transmitted this virus. You want to know another potential health risk? Pigeons landing and pooping on this stuff, and you buying them. Keep in mind, this is happening in Canada. Imagine what's happening over in China, Vietnam. If you've ever been there, you would know how the market just lays out raw meat out in the open with flies flying everywhere. It's no surprise we have an ongoing health epidemic. Prime example of what I was talking about. Oh my god. Oh my god. Lady, you're still buying it? Excuse me, why are you buying it? I know, why are you buying it? Pigeon. They fly here. You're still buying it? Aren't you scared? No? Oh man. Alright, I'd be careful. Alright, so this is how it works. She's gonna eat that. She's gonna get transmitted with the disease, virus, and it's gonna spread through her family, friends, and then to the public. Owner is inside, but clearly oblivious. I wouldn't buy stuff at this place if I were you. I would ask these guys some questions right now, but I don't know Chinese. You said you've never been sick before?
No.
What's the key to doing that?
I smoked marijuana oil for 61 years.
Have you heard about the coronavirus?
Yeah, the new one.
Does that concern you?
Not yet.
Not at all. More people are going to die of smoking, alcohol, and obesity in the next week than the coronavirus is going to kill all of you.
It's concerning that people are dying, for sure, but in terms of like my immediate health danger here, I'm not worried.
How many people on the planet? 7 billion? I've got a better chance of having a plane fall on my head, don't I?
We have new information tonight in the outbreak linked to that emerging virus in China. More than 1,200 confirmed cases now, 41 deaths, all in China.
It's a jump of 60%.
The CDC now confirming a second case, a woman in Chicago. 63 patients are now being tested here in the U.S.
While there are no confirmed cases in Canada, some health officials say it's just a matter of time.
Alright, so here's the plan. Festivals and celebrations are getting cancelled over in China, but still no confirmed cases in Canada yet. I'm headed to a place called Richmond to see if celebrations are still going on and to see if they're taking any precautionary measures over here. One festival in White Rock apparently got cancelled already. much explains everything. The purpose with this video was to show you, or Vancouver specifically, how they were dealing with this virus concern. People were still celebrating. Alright, so if you want to know how this virus might spread to Canada, this car is from Washington. The first case of coronavirus in America was found in Washington. Say this person had the virus, they would be traveling to BC, touching doors, touching handles, bars, everything, and then transmitting it to everyone else here. I'm no scientist or expert, but I think that's how it works. I didn't do this on purpose, but it just so happens to be that I'm wearing red on this day, which means good luck. But let's see what else is going on in Richmond. People are definitely not concerned about the coronavirus here.
Toronto's first suspected case of the coronavirus is here. Health officials made the announcement today after they were informed this afternoon that a man who traveled to Toronto from Wuhan, China, displayed symptoms of the virus.
He had traveled to Wuhan, China, and come back, and within a day became quite ill.
The virus is spreading faster and well beyond the mainland. Construction crews at Ground Zero in Wuhan are racing to building 2 hospitals.
One more confirmed case in the U.S., bringing the total to 3.
Has already claimed 56 lives and infected nearly 2,000 people. About 56 million people in China are on lockdown. Canada confirmed its first case of the virus, bringing the total number of countries to 13.